Hey guys, I got a 2018 Mercedes SLC300. I'm going to be showing you how to replace the battery in this vehicle. I haven't found a lot of luck finding videos on how to do this, but I've done it and it's not that difficult. So I thought I'd share that with you guys. So as you can see, the engine is open. The battery is on that location, so I've already taken it apart, but when you first remove it, you're gonna have this cover like that. It's gonna be on these, it's gonna be held by these twist off clips. All you do is you twist them off and you'll be able to pull it right out, as you can see. So then you take that off, and then you have your battery, which looks like an H7. So on the bottom you'll see you have a little cover on the so this will be sitting just like that, and it's going to be a 10mm right here. You just remove that, this thing comes out, and then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take this this hold down out. This is a 13mm, so I took it out, so now the battery is free and ready to go. Now it's just going to pull right out, and once you put it back in, we put that 13mm thing on, and obviously the terminals are 10mm, and that's about it. Put it back together. That's the back drive we're going to use.